I'm John, your teacher. This is TOEFL Vocabulary Practice, Part 5. Exercise 1. The restaurant's diverse menu offers a wide array of dishes from various cuisines, with options ranging from Italian pasta to Thai curry. There's something to suit every palate. Patrons appreciate the ability to explore many culinary traditions in one location. The word diverse is most similar in meaning to similar, identical, varied, separate. That's right, it's C, varied. Exercise 2. In scientific research, data integrity is of paramount importance. To this end, the scientists conducted a rigorous examination of the data they collected, leaving no stone unturned. They cross-referenced results, checked for errors, and held numerous discussions to interpret the findings. The word rigorous is most similar in meaning to casual, important, exciting, thorough. That's right, it's D, thorough. Exercise 3. Nothing quite compares to the awe-inspiring sight of untouched natural beauty. The mountain range's majestic landscape is a sight to behold. Its towering peaks, lush valleys, and roaring rivers create a scene of unparalleled beauty. Visitors are often left in awe of nature's grandeur and power. The word majestic is most similar in meaning to ordinary, magical, grand, colorful. That's right, it's C, grand. Exercise 4. In the digital age, learning isn't confined to the four walls of a classroom. E-learning offers unparalleled flexibility, enabling students to tailor their learning schedule to their own pace and convenience. This adaptability makes it an attractive option for many, especially those with other commitments. The word flexibility is most similar in meaning to freedom, planning, disadvantages, perks. That's right, it's A, freedom. Exercise 5. As the project deadline loomed, the team worked with diligence to complete all tasks. They coordinated their efforts, stayed late, and even worked on weekends. Their hard work paid off when they submitted the project on time and received positive feedback. The word diligence is most similar in meaning to dedication, excitement, negligence, apathy. That's right, it's A, dedication. Exercise 6. The company's profits saw a drastic reduction due to the economic downturn. The management had to implement several cost-cutting measures and reconsider their strategies. It was a difficult period, but it also provided valuable lessons in adaptability. The word drastic is most similar in meaning to radical, minor, temporary, marginal. That's right, it's A, radical. Exercise 7. As we move further into the digital age, the role technology plays in our lives continues to grow. Modern society, in many ways, has become highly dependent on a variety of tech tools and platforms. While technology offers numerous benefits, this also raises concerns about digital well-being and privacy. The word dependent is most similar in meaning to trustworthy, autonomous, solitary, reliant. That's right, it's D, reliant. Exercise 8. The project was a colossal undertaking involving hundreds of workers and several years of construction. The team faced numerous challenges, including weather conditions and technical issues. However, their collective effort and determination eventually resulted in a successful completion. The word colossal is most similar in meaning to tiny, moderate, minuscule, enormous. That's right, it's D, enormous. Exercise 9. The organization demonstrated its commitment to environmental sustainability by implementing green practices. They reduced waste, promoted recycling, and encouraged employees to use public transportation. Their actions serve as a model for other organizations to follow. The word commitment is most similar in meaning to indifference, apathy, dedication, detachment. That's right, it's C, dedication. Exercise 10. Many startups aim to disrupt the status quo in their respective markets. By introducing innovative products and services, they strive to shift market dynamics and consumer behavior. This audacity to challenge established industry norms is often what sets successful startups apart. The word audacity is most similar in meaning to fear, cowardice, bravery, strength. That's right, it's C, bravery. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or if you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next lesson.